Your journey to effortless Scandinavian style begins. Hello, design lovers, and welcome back to Home in Harmony. I'm absolutely thrilled you're here today because we're about to transform a small apartment into a stunning Scandinavian summer sanctuary, inspired by the legendary Arne Jacobsen. If you're new here, this channel is all about making beautiful design accessible for everyone. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming. Today's makeover celebrates that perfect blend of functionality and beauty that makes Scandinavian design so timeless. Give this video a thumbs up if you're ready to embrace the Hygge lifestyle, and let's dive in. Understanding Arne Jacobsen's design philosophy. Let's start with the heart of our inspiration. Arne Jacobsen's revolutionary approach to design. This Danish architect believed that form should follow function, creating pieces that are both beautiful and purposeful. In our small apartment, this means every single item needs to earn its place. We're talking about furniture that doubles as storage, lighting that creates ambiance while providing task illumination, and accessories that bring joy without creating clutter. Jacobsen's philosophy teaches us that true luxury isn't about having more, it's about having exactly what you need. Perfectly designed, this mindset becomes our guiding principle as we create a space that feels both serene and sophisticated. Mastering the art of minimalist geometry. One of Jacobsen's signature elements is those crisp, clean lines that make everything feel so effortlessly elegant. In our summer makeover, we're incorporating this through streamlined furniture, silhouettes, and architectural details. Think sleek console tables with hairpin legs, geometric pendant lights, and window treatments with sharp, uncluttered edges. The beauty of clean lines is that they create visual calm, something our minds crave in today's busy world. To achieve this look, focus on furniture with simple, geometric shapes and avoid ornate details or busy patterns. Remember, in Scandinavian, design restraint is the ultimate sophistication, and every line should have a purpose. Embracing summer, whites, and natural tones. Color in Scandinavian design is like a gentle whisper rather than a bold statement. Our summer palette centers around crisp whites, soft grays, and warm beiges, colors that reflect the long Nordic days and create that coveted sense of airiness. We're adding touches of sage green and dusty blue, inspired by the Scandinavian landscape during those magical summer months. The key is layering these colors through textiles, artwork, and small accessories rather than making dramatic paint choices. This approach keeps your space feeling fresh and allows you to easily transition between seasons. Think of color as your supporting cast, not the main character. Woodstone and organic textures take center stage. Jacobsen was a master at celebrating natural materials, and this becomes crucial in our small apartment transformation. We're incorporating light woods like birch and oak through furniture pieces, floating shelves, and decorative objects. Natural stone appears in our styling through small sculptures and planters, while organic textures like linen, wool, and jute add warmth and tactile interest. The magic happens when these materials work together. Imagine a sleek wooden dining table paired with linen cushions and a jute rug. This combination creates depth and interest without overwhelming the space. Natural materials also age beautifully, making your investment pieces even more stunning over time. Investing in timeless Jacobsen-inspired design. Let's talk about the furniture stars of our makeover, those iconic pieces that instantly elevate any space. We're featuring a reproduction of Jacobsen's famous egg chair in a beautiful cream leather, perfect for creating a cozy reading nook. The dining area showcases Series 7 chairs, those wonderfully stackable pieces that prove functionality can be absolutely gorgeous. Our coffee table takes inspiration from Jacobsen's clean aesthetic with its simple oval shape and tapered legs. These pieces might be investments, but they're the kind that last decades and never go out of style. Look for furniture that combines sculptural beauty with everyday practicality. That's the Jacobsen magic. Layering light for Nordic summer ambience. Scandinavian lighting is all about mimicking those dreamy, long summer days when the sun barely sets. We're creating this magic through layered lighting that includes ambient, task, and accent sources. Our main statement piece is a pendant light inspired by Jacobsen's AJ series, that perfect balance of form and function. Floor lamps with clean lines provide reading light, while strategically placed candles add that essential Hygge element. The secret is having multiple light sources at different heights, allowing you to adjust the mood throughout the day. During summer months, Nordic homes rely heavily on natural light, so we're keeping window treatments minimal and choosing light-colored lampshades that enhance rather than absorb light. Creating warmth through thoughtful fabric choices. Even in summer, Scandinavians know the importance of cozy textiles. It's all about creating that perfect balance of comfort and style. We're layering natural fabrics like linen throws, wool, cushions, and cotton rugs to add warmth and texture without heaviness. The key is choosing textiles in varying weights and weaves. A chunky knit throw paired with smooth linen pillows creates beautiful contrast. Our color palette stays within those soft, natural tones we discussed earlier, but texture becomes our way of adding visual interest. Think of textiles as your opportunity to make the space feel lived in and inviting while maintaining that clean Scandinavian aesthetic. Hidden organization meets beautiful design. In a small apartment inspired by Jacobsen's functional approach, storage becomes an art form. We're incorporating beautiful wooden boxes, sleek shelving systems, and furniture pieces that hide clutter while looking absolutely stunning. Our media console features clean lines and hidden storage for electronics, while floating shelves display both books and decorative objects. The trick is choosing storage pieces that you'd be happy to display even if they were empty. That's how you know you've found something special. Scandinavian design teaches us that organization can be beautiful, and every storage solution should contribute to the overall aesthetic rather than detract from it. Curating a gallery of meaningful objects. Jacobsen believed every object should have both beauty and purpose, and this philosophy guides our approach to styling. We're selecting a few carefully chosen art pieces. Think abstract prints in black and white or simple line drawings that echo those clean geometric forms. Accessories include handcrafted ceramics, a single statement vase, and perhaps a beautiful wooden bowl that's both functional and sculptural. The rule here is quality over quantity. It's better to have 3 perfect pieces than 10 mediocre ones. Each object should spark joy and serve a purpose, whether that's holding fresh flowers, storing keys, or simply making you smile when you look at it. Bringing the Nordic outdoors inside. No Scandinavian space is complete without a connection to nature, and plants become our living accessories. We're incorporating easy care species like snake plants, fiddle leaf figs, and simple herbs that you can actually use in cooking. The containers are just as important as the plants themselves. Choose simple ceramic pots in white or natural clay tones that complement rather than compete with your decor. Fresh flowers in simple glass vases add seasonal beauty, while branches or dried grasses bring in organic shapes that soften all those clean lines. Remember, in small spaces, a few well-placed plants have more impact than many scattered throughout. Maximizing space with smart layout decisions. Small apartment living requires thoughtful space planning, and Jacobsen's functional approach helps us create distinct zones without walls. Our living area flows seamlessly into the dining space, unified by consistent flooring and color palette, but differentiated by furniture placement and lighting. We're using area rugs to define spaces. A larger rug anchors the seating area, while a smaller one defines the dining zone. Multifunctional furniture becomes crucial here. An ottoman that provides extra seating and storage, a dining table that doubles as a workspace, and shelving that acts as a room divider. The goal is creating the feeling of a much larger space through smart design choices. Designing for year-round Scandinavian style. One of the most practical aspects of Scandinavian design is its adaptability to changing seasons. Our summer setup can easily transition to cozy winter vibes through simple swaps. Lighter throws can be replaced with heavier wool blankets. Fresh flowers give way to evergreen branches, and candles become even more important during darker months. The neutral base we've created allows for these seasonal changes without requiring a complete redesign. This flexibility is especially important in small spaces where you can't store multiple sets of everything. Think of your space as having a permanent foundation with changeable accents that keep it feeling fresh throughout the year. Achieving high-end looks with smart shopping. Creating Jacobsen-Inspired style doesn't require a designer budget. It requires smart choices and patience. Look for vintage pieces at thrift stores and estate sales, where you might find authentic, mid-century furniture at fraction of retail prices. Many contemporary furniture stores offer pieces inspired by classic Scandinavian design at accessible price points. DIY projects can also help sand and refinish a wooden table to achieve that perfect light finish, or reupholster chairs in simple, neutral fabrics. The key is investing in a few quality pieces and mixing them with budget-friendly finds. Remember, Scandinavian design values craftsmanship and longevity over trends, so choose pieces you'll love for years to come. And there you have it, beautiful humans, your complete guide to creating a stunning Scandinavian summer sanctuary inspired by the legendary Arne Jacobsen. We've covered everything from that essential form follows function philosophy to practical tips for small space living. The beauty of this style is that it's not just about creating a pretty space. It's about designing a life of intentional simplicity and everyday beauty. I hope you're feeling inspired to bring some of this Nordic magic into your own home. If this video helped you reimagine your space, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which tip you're most excited to try. Don't forget to subscribe to Home in Harmony for more design inspiration that makes beautiful living accessible to everyone. Until next time, keep creating spaces you love.